When it comes to trading and investing, three giants dominate the financial world: cryptocurrencies, Forex, and stocks. Each has its own strengths, weaknesses, risk profiles, and fan bases. But the million-dollar question remains, which is better for you? In this video, we're going deep, breaking down all three markets. We'll cover the basics, compare risks and rewards, evaluate market hours, liquidity, volatility, regulation, long-term potential, and finally help you decide based on your goals, risk appetite, and trading style. Stay with us till the end because this isn't just another shallow comparison. By the end, you'll have a crystal clear understanding of which asset class best suits you as a trader or investor. Understanding the basics. What is cryptocurrency trading? Cryptocurrency trading involves buying and selling digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and thousands of others. Unlike traditional currencies, cryptos are decentralized, mostly unregulated, and operate on blockchain technology. They trade 24/7 and are known for extreme volatility. What is Forex trading? Forex, short for foreign exchange, is the global marketplace for trading national currencies. You buy one currency while simultaneously selling another. For example, trading the EUR/USD means you're buying euros and selling US dollars. Forex is the most liquid market in the world, with over $7.5 trillion traded daily. What is stock trading? Stock trading involves buying and selling shares of companies listed on exchanges like the NYSE or NASDAQ. Traders profit from price changes, while investors often hold stocks long-term for dividends and appreciation. Stocks are regulated, reliable, and a favorite among institutional investors. Market accessibility and trading hours. Crypto 24/7 access. One of crypto's biggest appeals is its 24/7 availability. No weekends, no holidays. You can trade Bitcoin at 3 a.m. on a Sunday. This appeals to night owls, part-timers, and anyone who wants maximum flexibility. Forex, 24/5 global market. Forex operates 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. It starts with the Asian session on Sunday evening and closes with the New York session on Friday evening. Traders often take advantage of overlapping sessions for increased volatility. Stocks limited hours. Stocks are tied to market hours, usually 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern Time in the U.S. pre-market, and after-hours trading exist, but with low liquidity and high risk. This limits flexibility for people in different time zones. Volatility and risk. Crypto, high risk, high reward. Crypto markets are infamously volatile. A coin can rise or fall 30% in a single day. That means huge profit potential, but also massive losses if you're not careful. It's ideal for short-term speculators with strong risk management. Forex, controlled chaos. Forex is also volatile but more predictable than crypto. Major pairs like USD or GBP, USD have average daily ranges of 50 to 150 pips. Central banks and economic reports heavily influence movements. With leverage, even small movements can result in significant profits or losses. Stocks, moderate volatility. Stocks are generally more stable than crypto and Forex. Unless there's major news, blue-chip stocks don't typically fluctuate more than 1 to 5% per day. Penny stocks, however, can show extreme volatility. Liquidity and volume. Crypto, growing liquidity. While liquidity in top cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum is high, altcoins can be very illiquid, making it hard to enter or exit positions without slippage. Liquidity varies widely by token and exchange. Forex, the king of liquidity. Forex is the most liquid market on Earth. The EUR/USD pair alone trades over $1 trillion daily. This makes it perfect for scalping and short-term trading strategies. Stocks, exchange-dependent liquidity. Liquidity depends on the stock. Apple or Tesla, tons of liquidity. Small-cap biotech stock, not so much. Stocks on major exchanges like NYSE or Nasdaq tend to have solid volume, but still less than Forex. Regulation and security. Crypto, the Wild West. Crypto is still a regulatory gray area in many countries. While it's legal in most places, lack of investor protection, exchange hacks, rug pulls, and scams are common. If you lose your funds, there's often no recourse. Forex, light but present. Forex is lightly regulated compared to stocks but more structured than crypto. Reputable brokers are licensed by bodies like the FCA UK, NFA US, or ASIC Australia. But beware, there are still many offshore brokers that may not be trustworthy. Stocks. Heavily regulated. Stock trading is highly regulated by institutions like the SEC US or FCA UK. Insider trading is illegal. Companies must disclose financials, and there's a clear legal path if something goes wrong. That makes it safer, especially for beginners. Leverage and margin. Crypto. High and dangerous leverage. Many crypto platforms offer leverage up to 100x. While this sounds tempting, it's also dangerous. A 1% adverse move can wipe out your entire position if you're over-leveraged. Forex. Balanced leverage. Forex traders can use leverage ranging from 130 in Europe to 1 to 500 in unregulated markets. While it increases profit potential, it also magnifies losses. Still, many professionals use Forex leverage responsibly. Stocks. Limited leverage. Stocks offer limited leverage, typically 1 to 2 for retail traders. Margin accounts let you borrow to trade, but interest rates apply. This makes stock trading less risky but also less lucrative in the short term. Cost of trading. Crypto. Low fees, hidden costs. Crypto exchanges like Binance or Coinbase Pro offer low fees. However, you may pay high spreads, withdrawal fees, and network gas fees, especially during congestion. Forex. Tight spreads. Forex brokers usually don't charge commissions but instead make money on the spread. Major pairs have razor-thin spreads, which benefits high-frequency traders. Stocks. Zero commission but still costs. Many platforms like Robinhood or Webull offer commission-free trading. But spreads, slippage, and regulatory fees still apply. If you trade frequently, these can add up. Suitability by trader type. Crypto. For the bold and tech-savvy, crypto is perfect for people who embrace risk, volatility, and technology. It's also a great space for long-term believers in blockchain or decentralized finance. Forex. For short-term traders. Forex suits scalpers, day traders, and those who want to trade news. It requires technical and fundamental analysis skills, but the liquidity and leverage make it exciting for pros. Stocks. For long-term investors. Stocks are ideal for those who want to build long-term wealth, earn dividends, and invest in companies they believe in. It also suits swing traders and position traders who prefer a slower pace. Growth potential. Crypto. Explosive but uncertain. Crypto has the highest growth potential. Many coins have shown 10x or 100x returns in the past. However, regulation, adoption, and competition can kill a project overnight. Forex. Stable growth. Forex isn't about exponential gains. It's about consistent, compounding growth. With the right strategy and discipline, traders can achieve steady monthly returns over time. Stocks, proven compounders. Stocks have made millionaires through long-term compounding. With dividend reinvestment, dollar-cost averaging, and patience, the stock market remains a proven wealth builder. Final verdict: which is better? So, which market wins? There's no one-size-fits-all answer. It depends on your risk tolerance, your trading style, your time commitment, your financial goals. If you're a high-risk, high-reward trader who loves volatility and cutting-edge tech, crypto might be your playground. If you want structure, liquidity, and short-term opportunities, Forex is a powerful arena. If you're patient, long-term focused, and want steady wealth, stocks are time-tested and reliable. The best part, you don't have to choose just one. Many traders diversify across all three. Thanks for watching. Let us know in the comments which market are you currently trading and why. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth trading content. Disclaimer: this content is for informational and educational purposes only and should not be construed as financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment or trading decisions. The creator is not a licensed financial advisor and does not guarantee any profits or outcomes from following the information in this video.